Lecture 6, Sorting Results with Order By. Now that you know how to filter your data using where, it's time to learn how to organize it. Often, you will want your results sorted in a certain way, alphabetically, by date, or maybe by ID number. That's where order by comes in. It's a simple but powerful part of SQL that helps you make sense of your data by putting it in order. Today, you will learn how to use the order by clause to sort your query results. We will explore sorting in ascending and descending order, how to sort by multiple columns, and what happens when your results have duplicate values. You will get plenty of hands-on examples that show how sorting can make your data easier to read and analyze. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the syntax and purpose of the order by clause. Learn to sort results in ascending or descending order. Practice sorting by one or more columns. Interpret how sorted results help in real-world decision making. Why sorting matters. Imagine pulling up a list of students and trying to find who joined most recently or who has the highest student ID. If your data is unsorted, you would have to scan every line manually. Sorting gives structure to your results, making trends and answers much easier to spot. Basic syntax of order by. Here is the most basic use of order by. You can just type a query in here like select steric from students and write a keyword as order by, and you just have to select a column that you want to be sorted as ascending or descending, for example ID, name, age, or major subject. For example, you just want to sort this data according to the name, and you just write a name in here and press enter, and you can just run this query as like this. Here you can see the ID column seems a little unstructured, but as we just wanted to sort it according to the names and in an ascending order, but it is by default that the column will be sorted ascending if we don't specify that. So this name column has been sorted and organized in an ascending order. To sort in descending order, you just add DESC at the end. And when you just run this query, and here you can see the name list has been organized or has been sorted in a descending order as we have specified that in this query. Now the names appear from Z to A. Here you can see W, S, S, O, and at the end we have A. Sorting by numbers or dates. Sorting is not just for text. You can also sort by numerical columns like IDs or years. For example, we have two columns of numbers as ID and the age as well. As we have ID column as ascending order by default, but if you want to implement that on age, so you just write in here as, you just write the name of column and write ASC for ascending order. And when you just run this query right here you can see the age column has been sorted into ascending order like 15, 20, and goes to 30 as well. But if you want it to be in the descending order, you just write DESC at the end and run this query. Here you can see the 30 becomes at the top and 15 is at the last. This is especially useful when you want to see the most recent records first or when looking for the largest or smallest values. Sorting by multiple columns. You can also sort by more than one column. Let's say you want to sort students by major subject and then within each major subject by name. So you will write in here as select steric from students and order by, you will write in here as major subject, enter, and you will write comma and name and then ASC or DSC as per your requirement. And when you just run this query, so it converts this major subject and the name as well. So you have two multiple sorted columns as per the requirement of your data. This will group students by major subjects alphabetically and then sort each group by name. The order you list the columns in order by matters. SQL follow it step by step. Using aliases and sorting. If you use an alias in your select statement, you can sort using that alias like this. You just write in here as, you will write to have select name as student name, comma, age, and from student table, from student, And here is the keyword as order by, and you just want this to order by as age and in a descending order as well. And when you just run this statement, here you can see you have student name as well and age as well, but the age column has been in a descending order as we did in here. So this can be helpful when you want cleaner column names in your output. Common mistakes to avoid: don't forget to use ASC or DESC if you want a specific direction. Make sure you are sorting by a column that actually exists in your result. Remember that text sorts alphabetically, not by length or appearance. A good habit is to always look at your output and ask, does this order make the data easier to understand?